Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essential prerequisites so the method works. Confirm your phone is 5G capable and unlocked, and the SIM supports NR bands. This matters because hardware and provisioning enable 5G. Once done, open network settings and switch preferred network to 5G or auto. Adjust APN if needed to match carrier defaults. You should also enable Wi-Fi calling and background data optimization, so alternate paths and handoffs stay active while you apply the no recharge technique. Now you implement the complex middle steps to keep 5G usable without recharging balance. First, claim any carrier trials, promotional free tiers, or referral credits and confirm they activate on your SIM. These temporarily grant 5G access. Then combine Wi-Fi offload and tethering, route heavy apps over Wi-Fi while assigning critical 5G tasks to a split tunnel so latency-sensitive traffic still uses cellular. Finally, apply aggressive data saver rules, restrict background syncs, and schedule updates during free or trial windows to stretch access. To finish, you lock in the configuration and monitor results. Keep a real-time data monitor or carrier app open to watch consumption and stop spikes. This prevents unexpected cutoff. When access degrades, reapply promo codes or carrier vouchers, toggle airplane mode to force a new attach, and restart the cellular radio to renew 5G registration. If problems persist, reset the APN to defaults or place the SIM in another 5G phone to isolate device provisioning. This single troubleshooting step solves most registration and band issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.